linguistic models. Right, it uses linguistic models. Every facet of the subfield or subset of linguistics: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. And the search engine is effective when in the query when it comes to intangible, like let's say love, emotions. These are intangible construct. And then you have physical construct, that is like a cup or a watch. But one of the inefficiency of this particular area I work in, transdisciplinary, is primarily computer programming, right? Programming language, and how ineffective it is when it comes to disambiguating what is pervasively known as ambiguity in linguistic models. Linguistic models is pervasive as ambiguity. A watch is a noun and a verb. And so, of linguistics, sleep moderator, it affects the endocrine system. So, when you get into a number of different psychopathological disorders, right, you have to take a multidisciplinary approach, because many areas have to be taken into consideration, primarily metaphysics and phenomenology, the structure of consciousness and human experience, how some psychopathological illnesses, right, how sensory perception or sensory modality, auditory, optical,